Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. UAE government to help Kerala set up tourism township in hills. Shimla sees record 40-year drop in hotel occupancy on New Year's Eve. Akasa Air aims for 35% domestic growth and international expansion in FY24. Kolkata airports witnesses record surge in international passengers amid New Year celebrations. COVID travel update. Leh makes face masks mandatory in public places amid rise in cases. UK's new visa rule will now permit people on tourist visa to work in the country. Intense competition predicted between Air India and Indigo in 2024. Kappa India. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM.